Welcome to Module 2. We're going to be taking a look at digital asset management for our business practitioner persona. The key module takeaways are listed on the slide. We have assets in Liferay DXP take many forms and share a common asset framework. Metadata and folders can be used to organize assets, and administrators can control user access to assets. Before getting started on the next exercise, we'll need Java JDK to be installed and ran on Liferay DXP. The download link is provided below. We'll then need to unzip the module exercise files in the folder structures listed in either of the last two bullet points, depending on your operating system. We'll also need an instance of Liferay DXP or CE 7.3 up and running. The Livingstone Fjord theme WAR file should be uploaded and installed from the App Manager in the control panel. The WAR file is included in the module's exercise folder. Additionally, we'll need to add the hotel landing page and asset publisher page templates to the global site of our Liferay instance. We'll also need the luxury hotel location site template added to our Liferay instance from control panel, sites, and site templates. Finally, we should have the following site structure set up. Under Livingstone Hotels and Resorts, we should have Hotel Americana, which makes use of our luxury hotel location site template. We should also have our employee intranet, Livingstone Loop, which makes use of the intranet site template. Lastly, we should have Livingstone Life, which makes use of the Blink site template. Let's imagine the following use case for Livingstone Hotels and Resorts. The Livingstone platform requires engaging content that reaches the appropriate audience. The Livingstone team wants content to be created quickly and organized so that it is easy to find. They also want to limit the ability to edit permissions for Livingstone content to specific users. Finally, they want to share certain content across multiple Livingstone sites. Some KPIs or key performance indicators that they would like to focus on are increasing the speed at which assets are created and decreasing the time it takes to locate assets. Before talking about how we can accomplish these tasks, let's discuss what assets are. In Liferay DXP, assets describe different kinds of content that can be found within a site. Some assets that can be created in Liferay DXP include web content, documents and media, blogs, wikis, message boards, forms, polls, and bookmarks. Assets share a common asset framework, a set of features and functions that apply to all assets. This framework provides us with tools for displaying and iterating with various types of content and data. Assets can be organized with folders and by assigning metadata, can be related to one another, can have user comments, replies, ratings, and flagging, and can be given administrator-controlled permissions. Assets that are meant to be viewed by more than select internal users can be displayed on site pages. Within Liferay, there are two main page types: content pages and widget pages. We recommend using content pages for scenarios that require a heavy focus on page-specific content. Its editing UI allows us to easily customize personalized offers or messages for specific users. On the other hand, we have widget pages, which are recommended for pages that are focused on displaying existing interactive content and displaying lists of reusable content. It's time for a knowledge check. Assets in Liferay DXP include documents, web content, message boards, and other types of digital content. The asset framework allows users to manage, organize, and present content effectively and is shared amongst all Liferay assets. Widget pages are typically used to display interactive or reusable assets.